Hello class 12. Alright, so we'll continue with the discussion of the question and answers of strong roots. Today we'll be discussing question number 6, which is the appropriateness of the title strong roots. Okay, like how far is the title strong roots appropriate for this prose, for this story? The answer to this question is The Strong Roots is a story of an eminent personality who recounts the roots of all morals, knowledge, and philosophy of life. Now, this is a portion which is taken from APJ Abdul Kalam's autobiography Wings of Fire, and it is very much applicable to the story form we are reading. क्यों? बिकॉज ये एक बहुत एमिनेंट पर्सनालिटी की स्टोरी है, ठीक है, हु रिकाउंट द रूट्स ऑफ ऑल, लाइक जो भी रूट्स जो भी बचपन से उसने उन्होंने देखा था, मॉरल्स, नॉलेज, फिलॉसफी जो ज़िंदगी की थी, सबको जो समझा था, उस रूट से वो कितना कनेक्टेड थे हमेशा. वी सी दिस while reading the story. His failures, his successes, and the unexpected and unprecedented glory he achieved. ठीक है, उनकी फेलियर्स जो थे या फिर जो उनकी सक्सेसेस थी, जो सफलता उन्होंने हासिल की, अनएक्सपेक्टेड थिंग्स, अनप्रेसिडेंटेड थिंग्स जो उन्होंने अचीव किया ज़िंदगी में, इंस्पायर अस टू बिलीव दैट विथ हार्ड वर्क, सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, वी कैन कंट्रोल आवर डेस्टिनी. ठीक है, after reading this, we are inspired, and not only inspired, we also start believing that हार्ड वर्क से, जब मेहनत करते हैं, ठीक है, सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस रहती है खुद के अंदर, तो हम लोग अपनी डेस्टिनी भी टू अ सर्टेन एक्सटेंट कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. ऑलराइट. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's inclination to highlight the role of his family, relatives, and mentors in shaping up his career reflects his gratitude towards them. Whatever his family had done for him, however his family has influenced him, or his relatives and mentors have influenced him to shape up his career, he is always grateful towards them. He is very thankful to them that they have molded him this way, that he is what he has become. APJ Abdul Kalam जो वो बने हैं, it is due to their influence that he had become such a person. It is a narrative where Dr. Kalam recollects the secure days of his childhood. अपने बचपन के दिनों के बारे में he talks about his childhood days, ठीक है, that he had a secure childhood. The ascetic life led by his parents, his mother's benevolent nature, and the spiritual and moralistic lessons he received from his father. His mother's benevolent nature, she was very रहम दिल की थी, and she was very helpful. She used to feed the poor and look after people who needed help, ठीक है. And on the other hand, his father was spiritual. He was very moralistic. He taught moralistic lessons to him. So all this molded him to become what he was. Okay, the person we are inspired by. Helped him to stay rooted to his homeland, to his country, even after achieving exemplary success. His father's view as to how to face the adversities in life enabled him to believe in the omnipresence of a divine power that can guide one to one's actual destination. And not only this, whatever he achieved, it was due because of his father. ठीक है, जो lessons उनके father ने उन्हें दिया था. His father's view कि adversities जब life में आती है, मुसीबतें जब life में आती हैं, how does it enable a person to believe in the omnipresence of a divine power? All this had helped him to become a good person, a gentle person, as we all know he was. ठीक है. The strong foundation of his character made by his parents brought him success in every step of his later life. Thus, the title of the story becomes absolutely appropriate. The foundation which was laid for him by his parents had built his good character, obviously had helped him build his good character. जो फाउंडेशन मतलब जो बुनियाद जो उनके पेरेंट्स ने उनके लिए बनाया था, ठीक है, दैट हैड हेल्प्ड APJ अब्दुल कलाम टू बिल्ड हिज गुड कैरेक्टर। जैसे हम लोग जानते हैं उनको APJ अब्दुल कलाम को, और यही वजह थी जिसकी वजह से उनको हर सफलता मिलती गई ज़िंदगी में, हर स्टेप जब भी जो भी कदम उठाया उन्होंने इन इज़ लेटर लाइफ फ्यूचर में। सो बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल दिस, जो भी हम लोग पढ़ते हैं स्ट्रॉन्ग रूट्स में उनके बारे में, या फिर जो भी उनके बारे में पता चलता है, दैट ही वाज सो रूटेड लाइक टू व्हाट हिज फादर हैड टॉट हिम एंड टू हाउ हिज मदर हैड मेड हिम लर्न दैट कैसे ट्रीट करते हैं लोगों को, पुअर को कैसे ट्रीट करते हैं, हाउ टू बी सिंपल, हाउ टू हैव अ सिंपल लाइफ, ये सारी चीज़ें। सो आफ्टर रीडिंग ऑल दिस वी एक्चुअली गेट टू नो कि ये टाइटल जो है स्टोरी के लिए बिल्कुल अप्रोप्रिएट है। ओके, all right, class 12, what I want you to do is, when I post the image of this question and answer, please write them down in your notebooks, go through the explanation and please read this answer by yourself ताकि अच्छी तरीके से समझ में आए। और that's it, thank you.